A local group in Ann Arbor brought me in to do a private edible and medicinal plant walk on their grounds. Let's see what we find. So our first plant is dandelions, and those have a whole bunch of edible and medicinal uses. We have cattails here. This is the supermarket of the swamp. These are definitely edible and really useful for all kinds of craft projects as well. We have a beautiful redbud tree, and those little flowers are pretty yummy. This is a wild mustard, and at this stage, those flowers are going to be pretty yummy.
You need to be 100% confident.
We found some little inkcap mushrooms. We're not sure exactly what type of inkcap mushrooms they are, so we won't be eating them, but they are definitely inkcaps. We have some cleavers or bed straw. There are several species of this, and most people like to put them in things like a smoothie or a juice. This is a white pine, and you can use the little fresh tips of this as a seasoning, and also the needles make a good tea. We had to take shelter from the storm, but look at this amazing double rainbow that we got to see. Wild ginger here in the landscaping, which is a really good seasoning. All kinds of hostas in the landscaping too, and some of those are perfect size for eating. Chokes that are growing wild in the landscaping, and so they have nice little bulbs underneath them, so that's edible. Some onions, which if it looks like an onion and smells like an onion, then it's either an onion or garlic of some sort, and it is edible. Lilacs, and yes, you can actually eat lilac flowers. Here we pulled up a wild carrot, which actually has quite a large root. Usually they don't have roots this big, but when we look for wild carrots, we want to make sure that they have fuzzy stems. The look similar that is toxic, it has smooth stems, so make sure it has fuzzy stems. Here we have a nice burdock, and that probably has a good root on it. We've got purple dead nettle if you want to throw that into a salad or make some tea. We have a honeysuckle, which has edible flowers. We have some wild strawberries that are flowering. So this is a dryad saddle or a pheasant back. It grows on dead wood, and it smells sort of like a combination of cucumber and watermelon rind. And that's a really good beginner mushroom because there's nothing that looks like it. Spruce tips, one of the best things that happens every spring. Despite that rain, it was a really fun walk. Follow me for more.